Well, good morning from GMV Cleaning Solutions. We're here at Sweet Bay. We're continuing the cleaning of the pressure washing of the building. We're at building 4. As you can see, we came down along, removed all the green fungus, mold, the best we can. Some of it was on the wood part as we pressure washed it and got it all off. As we're coming around the building, you'll see that the integrity of the building is starting to show more better due to the fact that we did pressure wash it. A lot of areas do need more attention than others, as you may see. Right here in this corner, this was our hot spot. A lot of green mold growing on the building. And as we come around the building, as you may see right here, this whole patio was green due to the fact of the plants and the water source that's coming out. This whole wall right here was green yesterday on the previous video when we did the walkthrough of the property. Same thing goes for this platform. We redid it and brought it back to its original look. Now you can see back here, it's a little wet still, but we pressure washed this whole entire quarter here and came around. At the same time, coming down the building, you can see from previous painters, the way they painted it, they left too many scar marks, which is noticeable when the light hits it, but we washed it so it could be re-prepped and repainted. As you may see, we're coming around the corner as well, almost to the completion of building 4. All the white, even down here on the bottom, all the green fungus is removed. As you may see, we brought everything back to its lively look for more presentable for property management and its owners. Now that we are at building 5, I have Antonio cleaning all the green mold that's growing on the bottom. As you can see how bad it is, and it's being removed more efficiently. And we'll continue until we finish to the end over there. Right now we're at building 5 as we're coming down. This is the north side of the building where most of the sun does not hit. So therefore you will see green stuff growing on the wall like a fungus, algae. But we removed it all at this moment as we're coming down to the west side of the building where it was already completed by Antonio nearly 30 minutes ago as I was walking the property on other areas. As you can see, before it was all nice and green over here because of the algae. Now it's disappeared. Big difference. Coming down the building, there's no more algae here on the west end of the building. Building 5. As we're coming across. High areas we're not able to get everything. But in front of this door, where many people have moved in and out, changed the landscape, so we cleaned it all up. Coming across right here, on the southwest of the building, everything's all nice and pressure washed as well. As you can see, the painted area was neglected, so we re-washed it, tried to get everything off it. As you can see, it was already done. Now on the south side of the building, all the algae is removed. Doesn't grow as much over here on this side, which is great. This entranceway, we just finished cleaning it not too long ago. This is where people bring in their furniture and whatnot. We got everything on top. All the white was already cleaned up. So now Antonio's now on the east end of the building. All right, here on the northeast side of the building where Antonio is, I told him to go ahead and do the sidewalk because it's a very trafficked area, and he's getting that done as well. Here's our maintenance guy, Christian. He's a groundskeeper. Now we're at the far end at building 6. We're doing the pressure washing the wall as well because it showed a lot of buildup of the fungus. So we want to bring out the integrity of this as well, as far as the building is too. Right now we're getting the southwest corner of the building, of building 6. All this really needs to get painted. But at the same time we're doing the fence line, since we're in the area as well. Right now we're on the corner. It's the southwest, but more west. And you can see that whoever did the painting before, they pretty much did a touch-up job. So it's starting to reveal after we're washing the wall down. With much effort, so you can see right there, and zoom in, right there, there's a difference in the paint color. As we're working our way here on the west side of the building of 6, you can see that not all the debris is being able to be removed, but we're making our attempt to get everything as needed. The only suggestion we have after this, after we prep it and everything, is to do a final painting job. But that'll be a video for the future. As you can see, Antonio's cleaning the sidewalks so that grease doesn't get into the building here on the west side of building 3. Alright, this is the south side of the building 6. As you can see, everything's now dried. It's a good thing the sun came out because yesterday it was raining. Same thing with the fence. We're going to redo this from here. Right now I'm just looking around to see if I can find another water spigot so I can pick up water. So my hose only went up to here as far as the building goes. As I'm coming around the building, this is where the fence line shows its dirtiness all the way down to the garage. So let's see if we have any water on this side. Actually, I did find that water spigot, so it'll be easy to continue from here on and finish the rest of the building and the sidewalk as well. Antonio's doing the northwest side of the building where we had a little bit of growth. Then he just went to the northeast side of the building just shortly. Alright, we started doing the vinyl wall for the fencing as we're coming down. This is after we already cleaned the buildings of building 6. We're nearly 3/4 of the way coming down. You can see this wall looks very, very clean. And This is what it looks like when we have the mold growing on it, the fungus. Now that we finished the wall on the back side of building 6, you can see that the fungus that was growing on it is no longer visible. It goes all the way down to the garages that sit right in front of building 1. We did this as a courtesy for the property because I can't see myself just doing the buildings and then neglecting the backside of it. So we did the wall, the vinyl fencing, all the way to the end, which is right here.